everyone, welcome to this video. We are supposed to circle the error in the expansion below, and that's it. So, I saw the error already. Okay, so that's what we are required to do. But since this is a video, I might as well show you the actual expansion that is required. All right, so I'm going to just copy paste this out. So the correct expansion should be as such, but of course you are not required to do so. Okay, this is just for a quick explanation why that is a wrong one. Okay, why that's the error. Okay, I'm going to apply the formula neatly where I have a plus b bracket square, this algebraic result, a square plus 2ab plus b square. And usually I like to just make sure that you can see the a and the b clearly. So this will be my a and this will be my b. So later on when you see, this is what Mr. Tan will do. I will have a 7c square plus 2 times 7c times 4d plus my 4d square. Because c is my a, 7c is my a square plus 2a, b now is my 4d, and b square. So there is this missing part here that is missing. Okay, so this error is missing the 2 times 7c times 4d. That's why it's an error. Okay, so for completeness, I'm going to just expand out everything neatly. So this will be equals to the following. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.